Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll share the 3 strategies a beginner can use to begin earning $100 per day. This is Hustle Empire, a channel dedicated to help people make money online and where I share the latest side hustles. I publish daily videos on this channel to help individuals like yourself in becoming online creators and earning money online. I've been doing this for 5 years and also have multiple automated YouTube channels in this niche. So please like and subscribe to get more content like this and become part of my journey. Over the past 5 years, I've been earning money online through a variety of methods, and I've been able to diversify my income sources to the point where I earn over $5,000 per month. I am therefore confident to point you in the correct direction. Let's get started with the video. Okay, so one of the first strategies I will discuss in this video to get you started on the path to earning $100 per day is selling products on eBay or Shopify. Let me assure those of you who are new to this channel that it is effective. I continue to do so to the present day. I typically advise this method for those looking to start earning money online. You should be aware, however, that there are numerous ways to begin selling on eBay or Shopify. I will break down how to get started. You can, for instance, purchase in bulk, have the items shipped to your home, list them on eBay, and then be responsible for picking, packaging, and dispatching orders daily or after each sale. This is where you will fulfill the order known as fulfillment by merchant. You could also contemplate drop shipping, which is similar to what I've just described. Now, instead of purchasing the products in bulk, you will sell them on your eBay or Shopify store, and your drop shipping supplier will be responsible for ensuring that they reach the consumer in good condition. This is fulfillment by supplier, and I recommend you use this method, especially if you are just getting started. Retail arbitrage is an additional option available to product sellers. Now, how to do product search. You may go on eBay and look for bestseller items. You can also find a product typically located in retail stores. Therefore, the location may be tangible or virtual. You will simply copy and paste the images and descriptions, list the item on eBay at a higher price, and when it sells, you will return to the retail store, purchase it from them, and ship it to your buyer. On-demand printing is an additional option. You will list the item you wish to sell. However, once you make a transaction, you will direct your print-on-demand provider to begin manufacturing the product and shipping it directly to the customer. This is where you go AliExpress and drop ship the product to the buyer place, that is. The supplier from AliExpress will do the fulfillment for you. Typically, some trending products you can consider selling consist of t-shirts, headwear, other apparel, canvases, and even phone cases. Print-on-demand products encompass a variety of goods. To determine which option is optimal for you, you must conduct your own research. Regardless of which method you choose, I would recommend that you find an eBay store that sells a similar product to the one you want to sell, and essentially replicate how they've structured their store in terms of the products they're selling, how they've priced their items, and so on. I usually begin by visiting the eBay homepage and entering the item I'm considering selling myself. In this case, let's examine this Bluetooth speaker that has sold over 2,500 units. Therefore, replicate the store name exactly as it appears here. Then, it will be a straightforward matter of going to a supplier's website such as alibaba.com, finding a supplier who can provide us with similar items to those that are performing well, listing those products on our store, and then waiting for the sales to begin pouring in. Let's proceed to the second method I'll share in this video. Even if it is possible to earn $100 per day by launching an affiliate marketing website, many people are still unfamiliar with the concept. In my opinion, this is one of the best methods for a beginner to launch an online business. This is due to the fact that it does not cost much to get things up and running, and the potential to make a substantial profit is quite high. Consider the case where we join one of the affiliate marketing networks that I employ, because I am familiar with the concept of affiliate marketing and how to create a blog website. And the procedure of getting begun is straightforward. After deciding what your website will be about and what articles you will write, you will need to host your website. Therefore, you can use platforms such as Bluehost. There are several options available, but I would recommend these 2. Afterward, you must develop your website so that it appears professional. Then it will simply be a matter of writing as many articles as possible while remembering to do SEO, or search engine optimization, which is where you will position the appropriate keywords in the appropriate articles. The proper locations, so that you can rank on Google and attract a substantial amount of traffic to your websites, which will ultimately lead to your affiliate links. And for those of you who are completely unfamiliar with the concept of earning affiliate commissions by creating a website, I'm going to show you an article I'm currently working on about the top 10 email marketing software to use in 2023. This article will discuss the top 10 email marketing software programs that I recommend. Examples include MailChimp, Constant Contact, GetResponse, and Aweber. Moreover, the primary objective is to provide as much information and value as feasible. In addition, I will ensure that this essay contains a variety of affiliate connections. If the reader decides to use one of these email marketing software, they will be able to click on my affiliate link, allowing me to earn a commission. However, there is much more to this process, and if you'd like to see a step-by-step video explaining things in greater detail, please leave a comment below. Building a faceless automated YouTube channel is the third and final method I'll discuss in this video for earning $100 per day in revenue. I have lots of experience in this method as well, and currently scaling one AI YouTube faceless channel. The RPM is very high for the AI finance niche. Creating a YouTube channel is, in my opinion, one of the greatest things you can do if you're creative and can consistently upload videos. And you don't even need to remain in front of the camera like I am right now to be able to create videos, as there are so many other methods and so many various ways to launch a faceless channel. You've likely seen several faceless channels in which the individual isn't showing their face and in some cases isn't even using their own voice, but is still able to earn money from those channels. And to give you an idea of how you can use various AI bots, ChatGPT is one of the first bots you can use when creating your first video, because you can input it exactly as shown and write a subject such as, "Can you write a YouTube script for a video about the top 10 healthiest foods to eat?" Obviously, this is just an example. All you need to do is press enter, and as you can see, it works immediately. To provide me with the complete YouTube script so that I can copy and paste it into this software called InVideo, which will automatically create the entire YouTube script using the required stock photos and stock videos. Obviously, there is much more to this specific method of earning money online, and I'm going to publish a video series on automated YouTube channels soon. If you wish to view it, please subscribe to stay updated on my progress. I'm confident it will also help you if you want to earn passive income using this method. And remember to click the like button if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next video.